Good day, everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about AdSense arbitrage and also AdSense loading. Okay, so for those of you that are new to this channel, in this channel I teach more about AdSense arbitrage and also AdSense loading. I teach the top-notch method that's currently working in this 2026. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the live AdSense dashboard. Let me reload this. This dashboard is a dashboard I'm working for someone I'm in partnership with, and you can see what this account has generated so far. This account has had a lot of multiple payments, though it has the highest payment it has received is around $4,000, which I think it was even last 2 years. Okay, so you can see what we have done so far on this account, and you can see this month we have generated roughly $1,000 on this account. Within 5 days, we were able to make up to $1,000. This to show you how effective the strategy I work with is and how safe it is. You can see also what we have generated today so far here. And on the dashboard, you can tell from this dashboard that the CPC has also increased. Earlier on when I was starting this, when I was working on this dashboard, the CPC was around 0.30 something dollars. But within 5 days of constant traffic on this site, you can see that the CPC has increased, and as we are pushing in more traffic, gradually the CPC is still going to scale up to roughly around $2 or so. Because anyway, this niche, this site is a good site. It's a site that talks about health, so obviously the RPM is going to be high, and you can see even the amount of page views, and you can see the amount of clicks that was generated today. Now this whole earnings you're seeing here was generated with two systems. First of all is my arbitrage traffic, and secondly I work with my loading method, which for my loading method I work with an automation method to use generate this traffic. Now the strategy I work with arbitrage for majority of the traffic. Then the loading is just majorly to increase the number of clicks and the number of views on the site, while the normally arbitrage method is for the impression and also for the RPM. Okay, so you can see that this strategy I work with is a safe method that's currently working in 2026. And in my previous video, I dropped a video where I also received payment on the 21st from AdSense, working with this same strategy in this 2026. So if you're interested and you have a good account that you can work with this method, if you check out the link in the description box, you're going to see a contact info to reach out to me if you want to obtain the strategy I work with. And if you're interested in partnership, you want to work partnership with me this year, and you have a very good account you want to bring in for partnership, you can quickly slide into my DM with the contact info link there and reach out to me so we can partnership on your own account, and we'll also share revenue in this 2026. And for more inquiries about this, also check in the link in the description box below. Mind you, I'll see you guys in my next video, and also keep you guys updated on the current method that's working. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, you can quickly subscribe so that whenever I drop a video, you get notified. In this channel, I drop the current updates on the loading method and also the arbitrage method working in 2026. Okay, let me reload this. Okay, it's not. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, everybody.